Michael. Okay. Michael. Why did you laugh? Don't laugh. Don't laugh me.
You found some.
I found a coal. You can keep that.
I can't get out here.
Still.
Need to grab. Why some XP?
No, that's experience. It's mine. No, take away from me. Okay, let's go. Hey.
I'm gonna get some stone to get up here.
Okay. I'll get stone too. I have stone for. Can you make a one furnace?
Yes.
Okay, make it for me.
Wait.
Can you make two? We can share it.
Wait. Excuse me.
Wait. Okay, I'm out.
Oh no! Wait. Miss Pauline. Hey.
What? Someone is there. Is
Body.
oh yeah. He's a YouTuber. He's body. Okay, I'm gonna make lots of turds. Okay, I'm gonna make them all. Okay, I have 39. Let's go.
Wait.
You mine coal too. It's mine. You never get iron. I found it first. Found it first. Okay, let's go. Where are you?
Oh wait.
Oh, working anyway. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah. I have 8 iron.
I can't
Do
see.
you have torch?
Okay.
I
How are we gonna get out?
No, this is mine. No. No. Okay, that's yours now.
What? I got it now.
Hey. Wait. Get outside. Get outside.
I'm gonna make some crafting table.
I promise I'll share the iron for it. Oh, let's do
sorry.
the glitch, but let's do the glitch.
What?
And let's do the glitch, but glitch. I'm gonna mix. Do you have wood? Make a chest. Make a chest. Okay. And put the chest.
Tool for this.
Put the chest. Okay, put it. You put. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put the iron. Okay. Let's do glitch. Okay. Go. Okay. You will connect this. 1, 2, 3. Like that. And you will return it. Okay.
Kaya
1,
nga
2,
mag-English pati
3.
ang pagpuyo.
Go. How many? 9. Hold on. See? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
10.
It's still 14.
Get me. Need
No, you said it. Yay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yes. It's glitch. I'm gonna grab it. Okay, let's break this.
No. Wait, we're gonna do the glitch again. No. Okay, save that, huh? Don't waste it. Oh, I thought this was mine. Don't waste it. Don't waste
I
it.
need
We're gonna do it a glitch, but don't waste it.
Can we go up there? Beer, water.
Wait. Let's go follow me. Let's go back. I think we're lost. Let's do the glitching in outside. Oh, Kameg. Okay, see. Let's do the glitching here. Okay, let's do now the glitch. Do the glitching. Okay. Put the chest. Now.
I'm just gonna build. I can't see.
Come on. You have doors? Okay. Come on. How many doors you have?
Yes, 42.
Wow. I have 13.
We're gonna get some wood because
I have
we're
4
gonna build
wood.
house.
I only have 4. Okay. So my body's there. We're gonna kill him.
No.
No, it's not. Are you body? Body? No. Are you him? Ow! Why are you killing me? Why are you killing me? You're killing
I'm
me.
not killing you.
No, you're killing me. You're hitting me. You're hitting me.
I can't kill
Twice or five times or 6 times. I don't know. Okay. Hey, why are you killing? Why are you killing?
Only something.
Why are you killing him? Oh, I have lots of wood now. I think that's him. That he owns the wood. Okay, I have 56 wood.
What? Planks?
Yes.
I'm gonna get wait for me.
Okay, now. Okay, I have 64 and 12. Yay, I have lots of wood. Then you.